Hi, my name is Ayub Shaikh, and I'm here to take you through this program designed to demystify the world of IT for those of you from a non-technical background, especially if you now find yourself in a role where you're involved in hiring technical people. You may be someone who's never previously needed to understand IT terminology, but you now find yourself in a talent acquisition role or at an RPO desk, or you're in an HR function within your organization. And now it has suddenly become critically important to understand a little bit about the way technology is working in your organization. Because now you're having to mix it with people who speak the language of IT. If you currently find yourself fighting off severe bouts of narcolepsy when you're in meetings with technical people because you simply don't understand what is being discussed, then this training is for you. Or if the jargon-filled technical job descriptions and CVs that are now being shoved under your face might as well be written in hieroglyphics, then you're in the right place. Clarity and understanding are but a click away. This is a technical training course like no other. You see, I'm not here to turn you into a Java developer, a web administrator, a network engineer, or a cloud architect. But what I am here to do is to explain in clear, layperson's terms exactly what those people actually do, which technologies they might use, and which tools you might see on their resumes. I'll also explain the context around why your organization might suddenly have become so excited about certain technologies and why they are all of a sudden so keen to get you searching for those skill sets. Join me on a voyage of discovery as I gently guide you around the entire landscape of IT. A journey taking us from the very simplest of concepts, which you absolutely need to be aware of if you're going to make sense of all of this, through the acronyms and technologies that are critical to your organization today, and even on to the sexier evolving technology trends that will impact our lives as we move into the future. And by the way, which will undoubtedly impress the techies you speak to if you drop these casually into conversations. Let me introduce you to the roles within the IT department, the human element that keep the technology humming in your organization, from the software developers to the business analysts and project managers, from the technical architects to the cloud experts and help desk people. In this training, I'll advise you on how to come across with confidence when discussing technologies with all of these people, which tools and qualifications should be found on their CVs, and what you might even need to look for in terms of personalities and soft skills when you're hiring these people. I'm going to give you enough knowledge so that you can actually start exploring internally around your own organization, maybe asking questions of your own internal tech teams and recording key points so that you can now build up your own visual model of how your organization's IT landscape is laid out. Now, this is an invaluable process, and it will not only help you to visualize and understand how your IT works, but it will also be able to help you describe that clearly to potential IT candidates and even to new team members when they join. By the way, if you're not involved in the hiring side of things, then this training should still prove immensely useful. Simply approach it as an IT demystification masterclass. Think of it as an executive briefing teaching you how to discuss with confidence a broad range of technology concepts. During the 20 years of training these courses around the world to over 50,000 agency recruitment consultants, I've seen people with zero experience in technology, even the odd technophobe, walk away from this training with a newfound eagerness and passion to participate in conversations about technology, even a curiosity to delve more. It is now my pleasure to be able to bring the same type of training to this platform, but now geared towards people like yourself, working internally within corporations. So come along. I'm looking forward to being your guide into the world of IT recruitment.